Hello everyone, and welcome. I'm so happy you're here today. If you are learning English at home, this lesson is for you. Maybe you're a beginner. Maybe you already know some English. Or maybe you understand English, but speaking feels difficult. That's okay. You are in the right place. Today, we will learn English step by step at home. Slowly, naturally, with simple words and real-life conversation. So relax, listen carefully, and if you can, repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. Good morning. A new day begins. You open your eyes. You wake up. You sit up in bed. You stretch your arms. And you say, "Good morning." Repeat, "Good morning." Very good. Now say, "I'm awake." Repeat, "I'm awake." Now, it's a new day. Wonderful. Maybe you look outside the window. The sun is shining. Or maybe it is cloudy. Or raining. You can say, "It's sunny today." Or, "It's cloudy today." Or, "It's raining." Let's repeat. It's sunny today. It's cloudy today. It's raining. Great job. Now ask yourself, how am I feeling today? You can answer, I feel happy. I feel calm. I feel tired. I feel sleepy. I feel excited. Try one. How are you feeling today? Take a moment. Say it in English. Good. Now let's get out of bed. You walk to the bathroom. You wash your face. You brush your teeth. You look in the mirror. And you say, "I'm brushing my teeth." Repeat, "I'm brushing my teeth." "I'm washing my face." Repeat, "I'm washing my face." "I'm getting ready." Repeat, "I'm getting ready." Excellent. Now you go to the kitchen. Maybe you make tea. Maybe coffee. Maybe breakfast. You can say, "I'm making tea. The water is boiling. The tea smells nice. I'm making breakfast. I'm hungry." Let's repeat. I'm making tea. The water is boiling. I'm hungry. Very good. Now maybe you sit down to eat. You can say, "I'm having breakfast. I'm eating bread. I'm drinking tea. This tastes good." Repeat after me. I'm having breakfast. I'm eating bread. I'm drinking tea. This tastes good. Great. Now your morning continues. Maybe you clean the kitchen. Maybe you wash dishes. Maybe you clean your room. Say, "I'm washing the dishes." Repeat, "I'm washing the dishes." The dishes are clean. Repeat, "The dishes are clean." I'm cleaning my room. Repeat, "I'm cleaning my room." I'm making my bed. Repeat, "I'm making my bed." Very nice. Here is something important. You do not need special study time every day to practice English. You can practice while living your normal life. That is the best way. While cooking, while cleaning, while walking, while drinking tea, you can speak English. Even short sentences help. Even one sentence helps. Now let's learn a few useful home words. Listen carefully. Door, door. Window, window. Table, table. Chair, chair. Cup, cup. Plate, plate. Spoon, spoon. Book, book. Phone, phone. Now let's make simple sentences. The door is open. Repeat, the door is open. The window is closed. Repeat, the window is closed. My phone is on the table. Repeat, my phone is on the table. The cup is empty. Repeat, the cup is empty. Very good. Now let's practice a small conversation. Listen first. Hello, hello. How are you? I'm good, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What are you doing? I'm drinking tea. Oh nice. Yes, it's very good. Now let's try again slowly. How are you? I'm good, thank you. What are you doing? I'm drinking tea. Simple, natural, useful. Now afternoon comes. Maybe you sit down with your notebook. Maybe you study for 10 minutes. Only 10 minutes. That is enough. Learn 5 new words. Write 'em down. Say 'em out loud. Then make your own sentences. For example, kitchen, kitchen. I'm in the kitchen. Notebook, notebook. This is my notebook. Water, water. I need water. Light, light. The light is on. Floor, floor. The bag is on the floor. This is how you grow. Word by word, sentence by sentence, day by day. Now let's talk about speaking. Many people say, I understand English, but I can't speak. If that happens to you, don't worry. That is normal. Speaking takes practice. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need a perfect accent. You only need courage to begin. Speak slowly. Speak simply. Speak every day. You can even talk to yourself. Yes, and before we finish, I want to remind you of something. Learning English takes time. Please be patient with yourself. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need to know everything today. Just keep going. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 sentence, 1 conversation, 1 lesson at a time. That is enough. One day, you will notice. You understand more. You speak more easily. You feel more confident. And you will smile, because you improved. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep learning. You are doing better than you think. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Keep practicing at home, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, and goodbye.